Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my journal for the week of July 24th through the 30th. So really quickly, we did pick up the puppy on Saturday, so we're super excited. Today is my birthday, so he's technically a birthday puppy for me. So we are super excited. This is me. In case you haven't seen my face in a long time or ever, this is me picking up the puppy. And then today I'm just sharing me Toa. This is little Toa. His name is TTOWA. In Korean, it means come again. And this is the restaurant that my boyfriend and I met in over 5.5 years ago. So that's where the name came from. But with one T in Japanese, it means eternal. So we thought that's kind of perfect. So that's what we named him. It's a boy. But back to planning. So technically, this is my birthday spread, July 24th. Super awesome. I mean, I couldn't have asked for a better gift than to have a puppy after 2 years of waiting on a list. So super excited. Today I'm gonna make some waves on the bottom. Gonna make it very oceany since I love the ocean. And I made the Westie spread last week. So this time we're training and getting ready. So no more Westies in the planner for a little bit. Well, I can't say that, but for this week at least. So I'm gonna go ahead and add waves to both sides, so that's good. And then I'm gonna place some of these sailboats. They're really beautiful. It's kind of a nautical feel to it. And then I'm gonna use the reds and the blues because there's some reds in these sailboats. I wanted to use those. So almost patriotic spread yet again. But hey, it happens, right? It's pretty good. I love it. So this is a journal. So I'm going to be doing big boxes so I can journal in here. Like I said, I'm super excited about the puppy. So it's going to be kind of documenting his progress in here. I initially put on these checklists, you guys, because I forgot it's a journal. Yep. Initially, I was going to make this spread in my catch-all, and that's what I was thinking I'm doing, and I forgot it was my journal, so I placed all of these checklists down. I know. What a waste. But, oh well. Oh well, right? Nothing really bothers me now that I have my little companion friends, so who cares? Okay. Let's see what I can do. This is where I realize that this is a journal, you guys. Yeah. It took me a minute. So that's what happened. I'm gonna add more boxes and then remove those checklists after. So I'm adding like little ones to journal in. I really love doing that. I think it's a lot of fun when I get to journal in smaller boxes as well, kind of treat them like a title or something. I really enjoy it. Okay, so this is when the checklists come off. Like I said, I realized I did this and I wasn't happy with myself, but it happens, especially when you use so many planners. So it happened to me. It's okay. I survived. I'm going to put all of these little boxes on top. and then we'll go from there. It is kind of, like I said, patriotic spread, so a little different, but hopefully you guys are okay with it. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit more decoration, and I am thinking of doing a Q&A video. So if you guys have any questions for me about planning or any planning related, or me myself or the puppy, let me know, and I'm gonna try to answer as many as I can. So if you have survived all of this time in this video, I really appreciate you. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. And yes, don't forget to ask all of those questions. I usually am a pretty open book, so let me know what you would like to know about me, and then I'll do a video very soon with Q&A. And yes, I'm gonna show my face, I think, so that will be fun. Or maybe I can plan an answer. We'll see. We'll see how many questions I get and what's going on, but yeah. Okay, let's add this little bathing suit and a hat with the plants. I think that's adorable. I'm gonna add some shells. Like so. I think they're great box connectors, really. All of these little trinkets are, so kind of normal. Okay, couple more little things and we should be all done. And then I'm gonna pop this back into my planner, see how it looks, and go from there. I really am enjoying the spread. I hope you did too. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think of this one. I probably should have done it on 4th of July, but oh well, right? It happens. Okay, let's pop this back in, and I am all done. I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me. Thank you for joining. Bye.